this video, we're going to make email marketing super simple and super easy to understand so we can remove the complexity that it comes from growing your online coaching business. So really, when we want to break down email marketing, let's think in the power of just 3 simple lists to apply to your business. The first list that you want to do, it's really just your opt-in series. Now this list, think of it for any like what some may call your freebies or your lead magnets. Anytime you're giving away something for free, the whole goal of your opt-in series is to build a relationship with those that opt in. You know, sometimes people think of a newsletter as like this. That's not really what this is for. We think opt-in when you're giving some sort of value to them to start to establish that relationship. I've heard it coined before, you want to date your audience. This is that first impression that they get with the opt-in series. So you send them their freebie, you build rapport with them, that then as their trust goes, that can open up the possibility for potential business for you. Now, the second list that you want to do is your buyers list. It's for those that actually make a purchase from you. This is where like your work really begins. You have a responsibility now that someone's actually made a transaction, right? There's been a transformation in the transaction that's occurring between you two. Well, your job is to create that transformation by delivering value. And so you can do that strategically with a buyer's email series list. So you're enhancing the value of what they bought and help coaching them through to utilize what it is that they got from you. So you kind of walk them through and help make a higher level of impact rather than just being like, hey, thanks, here's your access to your thing and your receipt. It's like, hey, 2 quick tips. If you do anything with this, here's what you would do. 2 quick tips to get results today. And you really enhance the value of what it is they bought. So the first one was our opt-in series. Then we have our buyers list series. And then the last one, I like to call the relationship series. This email list, it's rather put, whether they opt in or buy, everyone lands here, everyone goes to this list. This is for continuing your conversations afterwards. Okay, this keeps the relationship going where you are hence dating your audience. Whether it's a weekly newsletter where we talked about that a little bit earlier, this is where this kind of fits into there, where you're reaching their inbox on a regular basis. Just make sure that you deliver value in these types of emails. You want to deliver value so that they actually look forward to the emails that you get and that they'll actually open the emails that you send. And it keeps that doorway open for you to continue to building the rapport and to open up for you through your communications to do future business with you together. So those are the 3 email lists to really simplify your business. You have an opt-in, you have a buyers, and then they all lead to your relationship series. So I'm curious, do you have these email lists in place for your business? And if not, we can help you. I invite you to take a look at movementformula.com and how we empower online coaches to thrive in the digital marketing space.